Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Sentra headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your brand new replacement headlight bulb. It's also a good idea to have some clean gloves to avoid touching the bulb's glass. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down for your safety before you begin any work. Now, let's get started by opening your Nissan Sentra's hood. Carefully locate the headlight assembly that needs a new bulb. You'll likely see some plastic covers or a few bolts holding the assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to gently remove these fasteners. Sometimes, there might be one or two clips that also need to be unfastened to gain full access to the bulb housing. With the assembly accessible, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Gently squeeze and pull to disconnect it. Next, depending on your Sentra model, you might need to unclip a wire retainer or twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Carefully remove the old bulb. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and insert it into the housing, twisting or clipping it securely into place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully reattach any plastic covers or bolts you removed earlier, securing the headlight assembly. Once everything is back together, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. You might also want to check its alignment to ensure optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.